Hey, MC with Tech, back with another video, this time about the Skullcandy Crusher ANC, a deeper dimension of bass. Let's check it out. This is an unboxing of my Skullcandy Crusher ANCs. Alright, as I get ready to unbox the Skullcandy Crusher ANCs, let me get you to hit a like, subscribe. There'll be a link in the bio where you can find these at on Amazon, and leave a comment about the Skullcandy Crusher ANCs and the video. So, unboxing the Skullcandy Crushers, I think they did a nice presentation with with the headphones. So, you get a logo on top of the box. It's the normal Skullcandy Crusher logo. I do rather enjoy that logo. So we're going to open up and we're going to take a look at the presentation of it. And one thing I can say is this is a great pair of headphones. Welcome to the deeper dimensions of sounds. And I'm going to say deeper because the bass on these are nice. I thought the first Skullcandy Crushers bass was nice. These are even better. So on the box, you see the little logo right there. You can take your phone, open up your camera, hit that. Now take you to the app where you can download the app that's for these headphones. Now in the app, you'll be able to set up these headphones for your personal preference of listening. Once you do the hearing test, it's going to make these headphones even better. As you can see, you get your regular books and stuff that come with them. Slide them to the side, and you can open this up and take a look at what you're getting. It is a nice presentation, like I said before. So let's pull the case back out, and this is the case, a nice hard case. Zips all the way around. You get your carrying handle that's on the case, and you also get a Skullcandy logo. And so we're going to zip it open and we're going to take a look at the Skullcandy Crusher ANCs for the first time. So inside the case, you have the headphones. Man, yep, great pair. And so, you know, these headphones, they swivel all the way around. You can fold them. You can open them. You can swivel them in a 360. This is what I like about the headphones is that, you know, the versatility of them. On top is a hard plastic. It's something that I don't like. But the cushion on the inside is very giving, you know, so it gives you comfort. So that's one thing I do like. And the cushions on the side, they're pretty just okay. They're not as premium as other headphones. So also inside the case, you're going to get your, it's Velcroed in, so it's a little hard getting out. But you're going to get your micro Type-C, not micro, I'm sorry, you're going to get your Type-C connection. With that Type-C connection, 10 minutes of charging will give you 3 hours of play. So you also get your 3.5 millimeter jack for a corded listening. Plus into this, you have a mic control and where you can listen to the mic. So these are the headphones. See how they swivel all the way around? That's what I like about them. You know, you can wear them either which way. Sometimes I wear mine even facing up. You can fold them, put them back in the case, and it makes it easier for carrying. So they're flexible. I did find flexing them was really good, and you know, no cracks and no creaks. And so let's take a look at it. On this side, the left side, you get the power, you get the bass slider, then you get the volume up. You hold the button down for 3 seconds and you get a fast forward on the track. Then in the middle, you have the pause and play button, answering and hanging up phone calls. At the bottom, you get the volume down. And if you hold it down for 3 seconds, you get the skip a track back. So on the bottom, you have the Type-C connection, the 3.5 millimeter jack insert. That's what the headphones give you. Pretty much all the bells and whistles that you can get for this price point. So let's take a look at my Skullcandy Crushers, my first ones I purchased. And these were great headphones, you know, and I thought the bass was tremendous in these. You got the bass slider right here. And I thought that these headphones were something. But compared to these Skullcandy Crusher ANCs, these headphones are not that. So on this side, it's just a little opposite of what everything is. You get the micro connection, the 3.5 millimeter connection, and these headphones right here are something different compared to these. You know, both are good headphones, but these are the better headphones. So let's just take a look at these right here. Like I said, a lot of plastic, which is I'm kind of leery of. So with these being said, you got active noise cancellation on them. And with the active noise cancellation, if you hold it down for 3 seconds, you'll get the hear through. You hold it back down for another 3 seconds, you're going to reactivate the active noise cancellation. Now, on the power button, you can also hold and listen to and control active noise cancellation. That's what makes these headphones a little bit something unique. So on each side of the headphones, you get a little slot opening. That's to help with the active noise cancellation. They're either mics or they're just like an opening that helps with that active noise cancellation. So let's talk about the case, which I think every headphone should have a great hard case. Come on, people, stop putting these headphones that people are paying $100, $150, $300 for in bags. That's what I like about Skullcandy did with these. They put these in a hard case to protect your headphones. Like I said, these headphones are mostly plastic. A drop on concrete, on a hard surface, it is done. Thank you, Skullcandy. So, with this being said, Skullcandy has really stepped it up and made a really, really decent, nice pair of headphones. Compared to the first gen that I have, or the first ones I ever bought, when it comes to Skullcandy, I am telling you, it is definitely a step up. And I know there's intermediate headphones that's, you have the Hesh, you have the Evos, but these right here were great. These right here are definitely better. So with this being said, the bass on these doesn't sound as synthetic or as low quality. The bass on these are tremendous. I mean, the audio is good. The bass is even better on these. And these right here, the ANCs, have definitely been a great investment as far as for me. When I'm at work listening to my music and drowning out sound, these are definitely a step up. Now, I'm not saying the ANC is top notch like you have on your Sonys or your Bose or even your iPhone, your iPhone headphones, but these have been tremendous for me. Just in a couple of days that I've used them, I have noticed that the ANC works pretty decent. So let's talk about comfort. I did notice that the cushions, they are kind of mushy. The comfortability is decent. I have tried on other headphones that are more comfortable, but these will get you through a day. And I have not found out where I'm wearing them that they sweat a lot. I haven't sweated a lot when I'm wearing these headphones. So I don't know how it would do if once, you get sweat or you get start sweating, So with that being said, they fit over your head just like this. So you cover your ears, and they do cover all your ears, so you don't have to worry about it. I do wear earrings, like I said in a previous video, so I don't get, I haven't snagged my earrings. So, and they're comfortable. They're very comfortable. I haven't had that wear where, you get ear fatigue, but I'm going to say that, this is a good investment, or I would tell anybody, try it out for yourself. You can watch every video you want on YouTube or any other platform. You're going to have to try it yourself to get an accurate assessment of what you want in a pair of headphones. But I definitely recommend the Skullcandy Crusher ANCs. Take a chance. Watch and see if it's a good investment for you. So, as far as a recommendation for these headphones, I highly recommend these headphones, especially for listening to your music, what genre it is of music that you listen to. I definitely recommend these headphones. But what I'm not going to recommend these headphones for, and this is a personal preference, for working out in. Because if you're doing HIIT cardio, I would be afraid that they would pop off my head, or I would be doing something and they would fall off my head and I would break them. With all the plastic that's around the head part of it is what I'm concerned with. But as far as a great headphone for listening to music, I think these are great. I think for what the cost of these headphones are for, they come close to the Sonys, the Sennheisers, the Bose. They come close. Maybe not as quality as far as music, but with the bass slider, it makes up for what you're missing, because a lot of those headphones don't have bass in them. Maybe the Sonys, but not any of them have a lot of heavy bass, and these can create heavy bass with that bass slider. And so that's why I recommend these headphones for listening, but maybe not working out yet. Another thing is, Skullcandy Crushers, please, 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 make a great ANC headphones, crushers preferably, that are for workouts only. That would send people over the top when it comes to your headphones. Make them as quality as this, but as for a workout pair of headphones.